The BRIO World 33204 Parking Garage is a fantastic addition to any child's toy train collection, featuring 2 cars, 1 car transporter wagon, and ramp tracks to ignite creativity and imagination. This parking garage is designed to seamlessly integrate with all BRIO World and other BRIO train sets, allowing for endless expansion and enhanced skill development. Playing with the BRIO Parking Garage helps children understand their surroundings better and enhances their fine motor skills, making learning a fun experience. BRIO places a strong emphasis on safety, with toys undergoing rigorous testing to exceed legal safety requirements, ensuring they are safe for any play scenario. Crafted from FSC-certified wood, the BRIO Parking Garage supports responsible forestry and contributes to the protection of forests and wildlife. Choosing the BRIO Parking Garage not only provides endless entertainment, but also promotes sustainability and a better future for our planet.